1, 2, 3, 4.
The room was spinning a colorful haze, lost in a K-hole for days and days. Jaeger bomber, a whiskey chased high, didn't even notice the time flying by. The music was thumping a muffled beat, stumbling around on unsteady feet. I saw a white box, humming with light, thought it was the portal to a glorious night. They say I whipped out my dick and I pissed in the fridge, a golden fountain, a personal bridge, from drunken stupor to appliance disgrace, with a frozen pizza and a smile like this. I'm the yelling and screaming, calling me trash. No, I got no memory, I'm sucking up my ass. You can't kick me out for a crime, I can't recall, I'm an innocent man. Standing up tall, standing up tall. Some girl's birthday, I think it was hers. The host is pointing, his face is a blur. He's saying my name with a look of disgust, talking about trust and a broken beyond rust. I just shake my head and I laugh in his face. Dude, you're mistaken, you're all over the place. I was in the bathroom, I know for a fact. Your story is bullshit, that's that and that's that. They say I whipped out my dick and I pissed in the fridge, a golden fountain, a personal bridge, from drunken stupor to appliance disgrace, with frozen pizza and a smile on my face. Now they're yelling and screaming, calling me trash, but I got no memory, I'm talking out my ass. You can't kick me out for a crime, I can't recall, I'm an innocent man. Standing up tall, standing up tall. The evidence is dripping, a puddle on the floor, the smell of ammonia and something more, a puddle of shame I can't seem to place, reflected in the stain like Neil Space. Denial is a river, deep in its wine, my pride is the only thing I've got inside. So I'll argue and fight till the break of the dawn, over a party that's been totally drawn. Get the fuck out! It's the last thing I hear as I'm shoved on the porch still holding my beer, confused and alone in the cold dark night. Maybe, just maybe, they were right. No!